In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify on Windows. Now, you might be wondering why there isn't a native Windows app for Shopify. That's because Shopify predominantly operates through web browsers, which is actually a great advantage. It offers flexibility and ensures you're always using the most up-to-date version of their platform without needing to download updates. The good news is that if you prefer having an app-like experience on your computer, Chrome-based browsers provide a feature that allows you to transform websites into apps. It's a neat trick that can make accessing Shopify feel much more streamlined and convenient. So, let's get started on how you can turn Shopify into an app on your Windows machine. First, you will need to log in to your Shopify account using your Chrome browser. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll find an icon there that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is packed with various options, but for now, we're interested in one specific path. Hover over or click on the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. When you do this, you'll notice that even more options become visible. Among these, you'll find an option that says Install Page as App. This is the magic button that will allow us to turn Shopify into an app-like experience on your desktop. Click on this option, and just like that, Shopify will begin to install as an app. After the installation is complete, there is an additional feature you might find useful. You have the choice to create a shortcut. When you select this, a shortcut icon will be created right on your desktop. It's a small convenience, but having this direct access can save you valuable moments every time you need to manage your Shopify store. Plus, it gives you that app-like feel and accessibility that can streamline your workflow every day. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now access Shopify with ease, just like you would a native app. Although it might initially seem like a modest change, having this setup can help keep your workspace organized and your productivity high by reducing the number of tabs you have open in your browser. Remember, this method relies on using Chrome-based browsers, which include Google Chrome or the new Microsoft Edge. This setup can really optimize your efficiency as you manage your online store right from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Shopify.